जो हमारे नेता श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी, डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह और राहुल गांधी जी का एक कलेक्टिव विजडम नजर आता है, जिस तरीके से हमारी परफॉर्मेंस रही है एज रिगार्ड्स टू यस्टरडेज ऑर्डिनेंस. Mr. Chidambaram, I think, made it yesterday very clear. This was something which was discussed in all-party meeting, wherein the BJP, the principal opposition parties and other parties in the all-party meeting, they agreed. And the decision which has been taken by the government about the ordinance is perfect as far as the law is concerned. हम कैसे, हम रिस्पॉन्सिबल जिम्मेवार पार्टी हैं, जब तक पूरी जजमेंट हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे, हम अपनी बात कैसे कहेंगे?
Please don't repeat questions. एक मिनट. हाँ. No, hang on.
So, Martha, Omkar Singh from Reddit.com. The question is that who is going to
Can you wait? I have an important call.
Jara, hold. Sorry about that. Where's the mic?
What was the discussion and what was the basic discussion?
Discussion like why ordinance, why are we trying to
And what was your logic?
the logic that the all-party meeting BJP agrees. So,
I have immense pleasure in welcoming Sri Rahul Gandhi.
Surprise visit.
Surprise visit.
Well, I don't want to.
Rahul, hang on. I want to say something.
Okay, I'll hang on.
Okay,
I'll hang on.
Now, his father Rajiv came here once. That was a great, wonderful surprise for us.
No, I'm not going to get into a long drawn press conference.
No, this is a meet the press. It's not a press conference.
Yeah, but I'm entering the meet the press. I'm making some of my opinions heard, and then I'm going back to work. I called up Makhanji and I asked him what is going on, what are you doing. I had some work with him, and he said that I'm here with the press, meet the press. And I said क्या बातचीत हो रही है? So he said, well, ordinance के बारे में बातचीत हो रही है. He gave me the line, right, the political line that everybody will give you. The Congress will give you, the BJP will give you, everybody will give it to you. I'll tell you what my opinion on the ordinance is. My opinion on the ordinance is that it's complete nonsense and that it should be torn up and thrown out. That's my opinion, my personal opinion on the ordinance. I'll repeat it for you. My opinion on the ordinance is that it should be torn up and thrown away. In my organization, the argument that is being made is that we need to do this internally. I'm telling you what is happening internally. We need to do this because of political considerations. And there's a time to stop this nonsense. And I really feel that it's about time that political parties, mine and all others, stop making these type of compromises. Because if we want to actually fight corruption in this country, whether it's us, the Congress party or the BJP, we cannot continue making these small compromises, because when we make these small compromises, then we compromise everything. So that's my position on the ordinance. Thank you. One by one. I'm interested in what the Congress party is doing. I'm interested in what our government is doing. And I personally feel that what our government has done as far as this ordinance is concerned is wrong. Thank you.
Okay, genuine or grandstanding, it was high drama there. But minutes before Rahul Gandhi made his statement, Ajay Maken had justified the ordinance. Later, in typical Congress fashion, he had no option but to change track. Listen in to the Congress's chief spokesperson.
When all-party meeting took place, there the formulation, the exact formulation of the present ordinance was also discussed with the senior BJP leaders, and they all agreed to it. So the formulation of this ordinance is not something for which any party should be taken off surprise. What Rahul ji has said about this ordinance in such clear words is the view of the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi ji is our leader. So Rahul ji's views are the views of the Congress party. So now, since Rahul ji has clearly aired his views on this ordinance, now the Congress party is opposed to this ordinance. So it's as simple as that.